Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Veena's Tasty Kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you to all how to grow wheatgrass at home and how to prepare wheatgrass juice. Very easy to grow wheatgrass at home and have lots of benefits. Wheatgrass is a good source of potassium, dietary fiber, vitamin A, C, E, K, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin B6, pantothenic acid, iron, zinc, copper, manganese and selenium, and has negligible amount of proteins. It is rich in chlorophyll similar to hemoglobin and iron, which increases blood cell count. Drinking wheatgrass juice will help in clearing sinuses by breaking up the mucus. It helps in increasing immunity. Lowers blood pressure by dilating the blood pathways. Wheatgrass juice has alkaline minerals which reduces acidity, also gastrointestinal tract problems. It detoxifies liver and the bloodstream. It has powerful ability to fight against tumors. It helps in stabilizing blood sugar levels. If applied externally on the skin, which will eliminate itching immediately. So let's get into my kitchen how to make this juice, wheatgrass juice, and how to grow wheatgrass at home. Take one plastic holes tray, this type. Next, take cloth tissue. Take that cloth and wet it and put it inside the tray. Next, put the wheatgrass seeds into a tray like this. Sprinkle with water on top of the wheat seeds. And next, cover with wet cloth on top of the wheat seeds like this. Sprinkle water like this 3 times a day. By day 4, we can remove the cloth and we should see a container full of wheatgrass sprouts about an inch tall. From now, sprinkle water twice a day. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and select all option in bell icon. Thank you. In about a week, we will have a lush, beautiful container of wheatgrass that is ready for juicing. With scissors, cut the top 2/3 of the grass in small portions or harvest the entire container for your juice. By rotating 3 or 4 containers and planting a new one every 4 to 5 days, you will always have a fresh supply of wheatgrass on hand. Clean after cutting wheatgrass. Chop the grass stems into small pieces. Next, add wheatgrass pieces to a blender or mixie jar. Here I am using mixie juicer. We can add little water. While starting, you drink half a glass up to 1 week and should drink less. We should take or drink less, very less, up to 1 week. After that, you can take up to 1 glass.